JSV JSV is a wonderful world. JSV JSV on a colorful day.
Hello kids! This is Teacher Kat from JSV Learn School. Before we start our lesson, let's do a little warm-up.
Good morning, how are you today? Good morning, I'm happy, let's play. Good morning, how are you today? Good morning, I'm happy, let's play. Stretch up, stretch down, spin your head, turn around, move your shoulders, up and down, stretch your arms, and turn around. Good morning, how are you today? Good morning, I'm happy, let's play. Good morning, how are you today? Good morning, I'm happy, let's play. Yeah, let's play.
What animal is this? Cow. C-O-W. Cow. What animal is this? Dog. D-O-G. Dog. What animal is this? Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. What animal is this? Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. What animal is this? Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. What animal is this? Turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y. Turkey. What animal is this? Pig. P-I-G. Pig. What animal is this? Chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. What animal is this? Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Fantastic! Now let's do it one more time. Cow. C-O-W. Cow. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep.
duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Turkey, T-U-R-K-E-Y, turkey. Pig, P-I-G, pig. Chicken, C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. Goat, G-O-A-T, goat.
Okay, kids, now we are going to play games.
What animal is this? It's a pig. What animal is this? It's a turkey. What animal is this? It's a sheep. What animal is this? It's a chicken. What animal is this? It's a dog. What am I? A pig. What am I? A dog. What am I? A goat. What am I? A duck. What am I? A horse. What am I? A sheep. What am I? Cow.
Thank you for learning with Teacher Kat. Please do not forget to answer your worksheets because Teacher Kat will collect your worksheet on the first day of July. See you again next week. Bye-bye!